I'm Gareth Maher and I'm the Portfolio Manager for the INSYNERGY New World Equity Income Fund. The fund will be managed in a systematic way. It's not dependent on a star manager and it's run by a number of individuals who have been running investment dividend-based strategies for a number of years, since 2003 to be precise. The fund is run and invests in companies that have delivered a consistent track record of distributing income to shareholders. We only invest in high quality companies who continuously pay dividends to shareholders and also who buy back shares on the market. The aim of the fund is to produce a consistent track record of performance with a lower level of volatility than our peers. The fund is designed to contribute not just income but also capital gain. A number of other fund managers who would focus on income tend to take very large regional or industry bets in order to generate what we would look on as forced income. Through our investment in global equities, what we find is that by having a diversified portfolio by region and by industry and by country, we end up with a very consistent track record of performance over time. This means that we capture a lot of the upside in the good years, and in down years we avoid the pitfalls of very large concentrations in specific industries. This reliable and consistent performance is generated with lower levels of volatility than from other managers. We have developed a process that allows us to identify companies that have winning characteristics in terms of their ability to not alone earn high levels of income, but also to distribute high levels of income to shareholders. This is very important when people are concerned about whether companies are generating enough growth in the developed world, whether companies are able to distribute that growth back to shareholders. And also in emerging markets where companies are only beginning to release dividends, we see a huge appetite and a huge potential for not alone strong earnings growth, but also strong dividend growth. By avoiding the traps of high concentration and by investing only in high quality, revenue generating, cash generating companies, we believe we will be able to produce a portfolio of consistent outperformers. In order to produce both an income and a capital gain, we have highlighted a number of characteristics within companies that we believe over time contribute to performance. These would include things like very strong free cash flow generation, strong earnings growth, strong balance sheets, and an ability to grow dividends over time. These are the winning characteristics that we invest in. These are the companies that we want to find in each and every industry group, in each and every region, in order to develop a diversified portfolio approach to dividend-based investing. The Clymer Benson brand has been around for a number of centuries, and we at Clymer Benson Investors are the asset management arm of the firm. We run a stable and consistent team that have delivered strong equity outperformance. We only manage equity income products. We do not do anything else. This is our sole livelihood. We have developed strong relationships with a number of international consultants, and this has allowed us to win some significant clients both domestically and overseas. We look forward to managing money for you in the future.